He's just letting it struggle.
Go get it.
The cat hunts moths. Oh.
Alright. Brave kitty cat.
Why can't they be normal and just hunt mice?
Because we don't have any mice.
I bet there's rats, actually.
Gross, I don't know.
Seattle has a rat population. Oh my gosh. He thinks it's gonna play with him, I guess. This poor moth has, like, none of its flutter dust.
Flutter dust.
What is that stuff called? What makes a moth? I don't remember. I should know
the
this.
Stuff on its wing. You go get it. I don't think he wants to eat this one. This one's really big.
He's like, yeah, you bitch, I want to eat it. He's just, I told you, he's part of the mafia. He's just making it struggle. He's like, where are the other moths? I'm warning you. Yeah, Weebo. Bat him with your declawed paw. It's like hopping away. Should be like, go get him, killer. Yeah. I cannot find this freaking video. It is so funny.
Okay, can cats, like, eat that bug already?
Yeah, they normally eat it. I think they just...
No, this one's, like, really big. I think they might just not want to eat it. Weebo, how can you have not killed this bug yet? Bah! Where'd it go? Gross. Yeah, eating it finally.
Look how good this mugshot is of this guy. He
That's
kind of
really
looks
good.
hot.
Yeah.
Nice, Floyd Mayweather. Where's my mugshot? I don't even know what my mugshot looks like.
I don't think you should eat that Weebo. That's really big. It might be poisonous.
Oh, he'll eat it. Maybe that one just tastes...
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. It probably tastes really bad because you probably shouldn't eat it. Yeah, I think he shouldn't eat that one. Okay, valiant effort, kitties, but I don't think you want to eat this bug. Maybe Armin does. Go ahead and eat it, Armin.
Is he eating it?
No, see, like, they lick it and then they, like, shake their heads around like it tastes really bad.
They always eat moths, though.
But this one's really big. Like, the body is really, really sizable.
How's this thing not dead yet?
I don't know. Maybe it's a biting moth.
I don't know, but Miley Cyrus needs to take it easy.
What happened?
She's like, has a new boyfriend, and they're already like, I don't know, in Paris or something. Fucking, who knows? But she just got out, like, she's 16, 17.
Mm-hmm.
She's not even 18.
Yummy.
Ew, did they finally eat it?
Weebo's chewing on it and then letting it go.
Ew.
It's pretty dead now. Gross, Weebo. If he vomits, it's probably because of that. Yay, midget kitties! Killed a moth! Woohoo.
Chris Brown is officially fucked up.